Exploring Canadian taxes and overview. So we will go through these chapters, and we will first we have to go with regions for taxes in Canada, importance of taxes in Canada, and then we will go through the types of taxes in Canada and financial responsibility and economic choices. And we will understanding Canadian taxes questions. So why is taxation important in Canada? Taxes is important in finance, government activities and services. Second, what are some of essential services funded by taxes in Canada? Essential services funded by taxes in Canada include healthcare, education, transportation, defense and social welfare programs. Third is how do taxes contribute to reducing economic disparities in Canadian society? Disparities means that there is a different level of the peoples like rich and poor. So how do taxes contribute to reducing economic disparities? So it reduces through wealth redistributions. Taxes contribute to reducing the economic disparities in Canadian societies. Fourth is what role do taxes play in promoting financial responsibility among citizens and business in Canada? By encouraging certain activities such as investing in renewable energy or discourage harmful practices like excessive pollutions. And then fifth is what role do taxes play in promoting financial responsibility among citizens and businesses in Canada? Taxes provide the Canadian government with resources needed to invest in public goods and services that benefit all citizens. By funding projects in infrastructure, healthcare, education and social welfare, taxes help establish a strong foundation for sustainable economic growth and development. Additionally, taxes promote a sense of financial responsibility among individuals and businesses. So let's go on the number 6. Can you name at least 3 types of taxes imposed by the Canadian government? So like income tax, you have to give GST, HST, corporate tax, property tax. How do individual economic choices impact the overall economy and society in Canada? Individual economic choices impact the overall economy and society in Canada through informed economic decisions such as saving, investing, and spending responsibly.